Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add a slider in Webflow 2026. So you will need at first to go with webflow.com websites and make sure that you already signed in with your account, and then just stay on the dashboard and select or locate the project that you want to work on and just click on open in Webflow. And here inside the Webflow designer, all you need to do is to go and click on the add panel or add elements that's located on the left side bar. So here you will need to look for the slider. And to do that, you will need to scroll until you can see the advanced section. So this is the advanced section and that's the slider. So what's now? You will need just to drag your slider into your section, container, or div block. So let's set an example with a div block. You will need to click it, hold, and drag it inside it, okay? So by default, the slider comes with the slide 1 and the slide 2. Also, the slide rows, okay, and the slide nav dots. So now you may ask how you can add more slides. So to add more slides, you will need just to go with that option right here on the slider settings. So just click it and there you go. So now we have 3 slides and you can have as many slides as needed. And you may want to add some content inside the slides. And to do that, you will need just to click the slide and then just go with add elements. And right here, you can add the containers, the headings, the paragraphs, images, buttons, etc. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.